Welcome to the world of chemicals, where we explore the fascinating Piranha Solution, a potent cleaning mixture.
Piranha Solution is a mixture of sulfuric acid and hydrogen peroxide, known for its powerful ability to clean organic residues.
When mixed, these chemicals create a highly reactive and oxidizing solution.
Due to its aggressive nature, Piranha Solution is used primarily in laboratories and industries for cleaning glassware and removing contaminants.
Handling Piranha Solution requires strict safety protocols to prevent accidents.
Despite its effectiveness, Piranha Solution must be disposed of properly to avoid environmental hazards. Understanding the power and risks of Piranha Solution can help ensure its safe and effective use.